So good day guys, welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson we are going to be talking about load case and load patterns. Okay, so now let's go to define. So you can see define. Now we can define many things here. So this function is for seismic, the displacement, mass source is also for seismic. Now we'll be moving on to that when we get to the load application. So let's go to the first thing we want to do is load cases. Okay, sorry, load patterns. So we go to define and choose load patterns. So automatically it has defined our dead load and live load for us. So you can see your dead load that it has self weight multiplier of 1. We already have that, so we don't need to assign the self weight again, so it's there already. The next one I want to add is the live load, which has been assigned. So you can come here and delete it if you don't want. Okay, so delete it and let's add it back, live load. So choose the type you want, so you select it and choose live and add new load. Now the next thing I want to add is super dead load, because in this case I don't want to combine my finishes, partition and every other load to my dead load, so I'll just call it super dead. Okay, and change it as super dead. So it's still going to be the same load combination or the same load factor when you are doing it, but it's just that when you are running your analysis you can do it separately, or if you want to save time you can add everything together to the dead in the load pattern. So you click add. Okay, so we've done super dead. Now for a mid-rise building like this, we need to assign the wind and seismic. So come here and put wind X, okay, and change this to wind. Okay, so we have it as wind and add. Next one we have is wind Y. Okay, so leave it as wind, add. Now the next one we need to do is earthquake. So EQX, change it to seismic. Okay, add. Then the next one we want to do is EQY. Okay, so add. So in the next video we are going to be talking more on this. Okay, thank you very much.